Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we would learn about how to build a dashboard using Tableau Desktop. We have considered a sample healthcare dataset that is transformed using various ETL capabilities as shown in the earlier video. The data is stored in an Oracle data source from where it is imported using Tableau Desktop to build a simple dashboard. Tableau Desktop is one of the leading data analytics tool in the field of business intelligence. It is a self-service analytic tool with an easy drag-and-drop interface. You could connect to over 70 plus data sources along with the data from the cloud. It has many offerings such as Tableau Desktop, Tableau Server, Tableau Mobile, Tableau Online, Tableau Library, etc. To analyze the data in the healthcare dataset, we would create two different dashboards. Our first dashboard would consider the following analysis: the list of the KPIs in the dataset, death analysis by gender, frequent occurring diseases over time, disease causing deaths, deaths caused by the BMI categories, BMI analysis as per age group. To analyze the data in the second dashboard, we would consider the following factors: the KPI indicators in the dataset, certain frequently performed tests, monthly admission count, and yearly revisit analysis. Let us now go ahead and see that how we can build the dashboard using these problem statements. There are a few jargons that you should be aware of before moving further. Dimensions, objects that contain categorical information. Measures, objects containing quantitative information. Worksheets, containing a single view. Dashboard, a collection of views from multiple worksheets. We would be using different kinds of dimensions and measures to build various visuals in the worksheets. And finally, we would go ahead and consolidate all the different worksheets to form a single dashboard. This dashboard shows the death analysis of the patients in the dataset. Let us analyze the dashboard. Right at the top, we have KPIs listed, which tells us about the total number of patients, total number of deaths, and total number of visits. As we move down further, we see there is death by gender analysis in the form of a pie chart. If we click on any one of the slices of the pie chart, we can see that the other two visuals gets filtered accordingly. Later, we have deaths caused under different BMI category over the years represented in the form of a bar chart. Right beside it, we have another bar chart which gives us the details about the percent of patient categorized under the different BMI standards. In the right hand side, frequently occurring diseases over the time, the data is represented in the form of a heat map along with the analysis of top 10 death-causing diseases. In the next dashboard, we have multiple analysis. At the topmost corner, we have list of KPI giving us details regarding the number of tests, number of procedures performed, number of diseases. Below that, we have a symbol map denoting the count of revisits made from different cities. Beside it, we have the monthly patient admission count analysis depending upon their type of admission in the form of a line chart. Further, we have a highlight table giving us details regarding the average amount of price for each of the top 5 tests. Let us now see how these worksheets are created and placed all together in the form of a dashboard. Go to a new worksheet. Click on the drop-down and select Calculated field. Name the calculated field as count of patient with the below shown formula. From the Measures section, drag and drop the count of patient to the text marks card. Change the display to entire view. Let us now format the worksheet by changing the font size and the alignment of the text. Rename the sheet as Number of Patients. To format the worksheet further, navigate to Format option from the menu bar and click on Shading. Select a color of your own choice. To format the title, right-click on the title and select Format Title. Add a shading to the title of your choice. In similar manner, we created the rest of the KPIs listed. In a new worksheet, change the marks type from automatic to that of pi. Drag and drop the visit count measure to the angle. Drag and drop the discharge ID on the filter shelf to filter the data as per the deaths occurred. Place the gender dimension on the text and color marks card. Place the visit count measure on the text marks card as well. This creates the pie chart. Change the display to entire view and resize the pie as required from the size marks card. In a new worksheet, add year visit dimension and BMI category dimension on the columns. Now, to show the death count, drag and drop the visit count measure on the rows and place the discharge ID measure on the filter shelf. Click on all values and enter 10 in the range of values. This would filter the data and only show the result for discharge ID equal to 10. Drag and drop the BMI category to color. Format the tooltip as shown. Hide the headers. This creates a clustered bar chart displaying the number of deaths per person as per the BMI category. Similarly, we can create another bar chart. Go to a new worksheet, count of patient, calculated field on the rows, add percent to total calculation. Edit the tooltip as shown below and rename the worksheet. Next, let us see how we can create a heat map that uses to analyze the frequent diseases over a period. In a new worksheet, click on the drop-down and select Create Calculated Field. In the Calculation Editor, rename the calculation as Visit Count. Type the formula. Drag and drop the diagnosis name to the rows and visit count to the column. Navigate to Show Me and select the heat map. Place the diagnosis name on the filter shelf and select Top tab. In the field name, select Top 10 by diagnosis name and count D. Click Apply and OK. This shows the result of top 10 frequently occurring diseases. Navigate to the visit count, measure the size marks card, right-click on it, select Add Table Calculation as percent to total. To change the color of the heat map, navigate to Legend, click on the drop-down and select Edit Colors. Choose the gradient of your choice and select Apply and OK. Similarly, for the second heat map analysis, in a new worksheet, drag and drop the visit count measure to the columns and the diagnosis name dimension to the rows. Place the discharge ID on the filter shelf and set the filter till 10. Navigate to Show Me and select Heat Map. Drag and drop the diagnosis name on the filter shelf and navigate to the Top tab. Set a filter for top 10 Click OK. This shows the top 10 disease-causing deaths. Let us see how to build the map visual in Tableau for the revisits for top 10 diseases analysis. In a new worksheet, double-click on City Dimension from the City Master table. This generates a map in Tableau. Drag and drop the revisits duration measure to the color marks card. To change its aggregation, click on the drop-down and select Count option. Drag and drop the visit year dimension to the filter shelf and select all the years. Click Apply and OK. Click on the drop-down to enable Show Filter. To change the color of circle, navigate to Color Legend and click on the drop-down and select Edit Color option. Choose the gradient that you would want to from the list. Once done, select Apply and OK. In a new worksheet, drag and drop the visit month on the column and change it to a continuous field. Place the visit count measure on the row shelf. Add the visit type to the filter shelf and select all the checkboxes. Click Apply and OK. To enable the filter control, click onto the drop-down and select Show Filter. Place the visit type on the color marks card to categorize different kinds of visit type. Drag and drop the visit year dimension to the filter shelf as well. Select all the years, click Apply and OK. Enable the Show Filter for the year dimension as well. This creates our line chart for the different types of admissions. In a new worksheet, select the Visit plus BI EDW source. From the Procedure Master table, drag and drop the procedure name on the rows and place the price measure on the columns. Navigate to Show Me and select the Highlight table. Change the type of aggregation from the sum to the average for both the measures. Drag and drop the procedure name on the filter shelf. In the top tab, select the top 5 procedure name with the aggregation as sum. Click Apply and OK. Right-click on the price measure on the text marks card and click on the Format option. Navigate to Numbers and select the Number Custom Type to reduce the decimal by 2 places. Change the display to Entire View. To align the text, go to Text Marks and select the Alignment option. Go to a new dashboard. This is how the interface of the dashboard looks like in Tableau. On the left-hand side, we can see the Preview option. Right below it, we have the Size option that is used to decide the size of the screen. Click on the drop-down and select Automatic. With this, irrespective of the screen size, the dashboard will adjust itself for viewing. Below that, you would find a list of all the sheets on the left pane. There are different dashboard objects. We would be using some of them to build the dashboard. Click on the Floated option. Drag and drop the sheets on the blank space. Arrange the worksheets according to the flow of the dashboard. Let us now see how to add interactivity in the dashboard. Navigate to Dashboard and select Action. Go to Action. Choose Filter option. Enter the name of the action. Select the source and target on which you want to apply the filter condition. Click on Run Action as Select. Click OK. Select the pie chart to see the interactivity in the other 2 visuals. For the next dashboard, follow the same steps and arrange the worksheets accordingly. There are 2 filters that must be targeted to those visuals that have the same filter added in the worksheets. For the filter to target multiple worksheets, select the filter, click on the drop-down. Navigate to Apply to Worksheets and click on Selected Worksheets. Check the boxes for which you want to set as a target and click on OK. With that, our final dashboard is ready. This brings us to the end of the video. In this video, we saw how to build different kinds of visualization, how to create worksheets and then combine them to build a dashboard. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.